Looking back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. My name is Castillo, and my mission in life is to help people realize their full potential using stoicism and every learnings in every encounters of my life and serious conversations over coffee. Diba? That's what I like. That's what I love to do. Anyway, balik tayo. So tonight we're gonna discuss something about looking back. Yung pag-ikat. That's I. Anyway, as a starter, I have a question. So my question is, have you ever found yourself, or have you ever found evidence of yourself or anything that you did around 5 to 7 years ago? And what did you feel? Did you feel nostalgic? Did you feel anything? Did you feel sad? Did it remind you of bad memories, good memories, or just chill lang memories? Yung ganun ba? Oh. Anyway, let me share to you what I do. Or let me share to you what I do yearly every time I'm here in the Philippines. So, I made it a habit to check my old journals from time to time. Maybe not yearly, maybe twice a year. Ganon. Whenever I need ideas, whenever I need to look for some things that I missed, that I think it would help me grow in some way. But what I just do is put my journal on my table, and beside it my pen and then a notepad, and then I'd write down the things that I think I would double down on doing or redo, and then I'll do it. I'll schedule it if I can do it, and then I will jot down some things or some ideas that I think I would relearn. Also, I do it on my books. That's why I put highlighters and then tabs like this. They see the green ones. Yeah. That's like also, yeah, also like this one, like tabs. Yeah, I put tabs so that when I want to check, I'll just check the golden nuggets and then start reading from there, so that at least I can get hold of the concept once more. So, anyways, I don't do it from in books. I don't do collecting of memories in not only in books, not only in journals, but I also do it with pictures, videos. It actually started when I had my first smartphone, yung talagang may camera na I can take pictures with. It's Huawei Ascend Y100. Yan. Ngayon, yun, simula doon, from high school, from photos of other people using their gadgets, inipon ko yun. From high school, college, nagkaroon ako first girlfriend, first pictures or memories with my girlfriend, then first heartbreak, and then multiple circles of friends, and then another circle of friends when I started training for work. Tapos I started working, and then nabuo na yung nag-slowly build na yung portfolio sa Instagram. Kindly check, shout out. And then yun, from there I also had t-shirt, class shirt back in high school from when I was in St. Barakiel, St. Clair, St. Augustine, and Our Lady of Assumption. Sadly, iba doon, trapo na. But it's okay. Yung iba naman, yung St. Augustine and yung St. Our Lady of Assumption, nandoon pa naman eh. Nagagamit ka pa. If you come to think of it, it's actually fun to look back at the things that or the items that will remind you of what you've been doing. Diba? It's actually quite fun. But on a serious note, well, you may ask me, para saan pa, diba? Why is it important for us to look back on the things that we did or we experienced 5 to 7 years ago? The answer is actually quite simple eh. So that the answer is, alam mo yun, for us to realize how much we've grown in a small span of time. Kasi imagine mo, if we did that 5 to 7 years ago, tapos ang dami na nating nagawa, ang dami na nating na-achieve, ang dami na nating natulungan, how much more yung magagawa natin 5 to 7 years from now, starting today. Given na sobrang aware na tayo sa kung anong kaya nating gawin, sa kung ano yung kaya nating ibigay na value sa ibang tao, sa potential na meron tayo. Diba? Marirealize mo eh, oh, shit, I have so much potential. Tapos kapag na-realize mo na sobrang daming laki ng potential mo to bring value to other people or to the world, alam mo yun, just make a dent, make a small difference, and then ripple effect na eh. Imagine mo yung potential mo, tapos a small amount of time, tapos continuously ka nag-grow. Imagine mo pre, nagko-compound yun. Diba? Tapos imaginein mo how much more you will achieve, you will do, you will give kapag na-realize mo yun. Tapos tinuloy-tuloy mo pa, 'di ba? Pero anyway, magpapatanong kayo, paano mo masasabi na nag-grow ka in a small way lang? For example, may nakita ka baller. Naalala niyo ba yung baller dati nung Jeje days natin? Like, yung kapag sinuot mo, marirestore daw yung balance and shit like that. And yung Domo Cone baller and then yung Domo Cone backpack. Ano pa ba? Yung sobrang fit na pants. Yung ipapa-alter mo yung shape ng pants mo, yung sukat. Tapos sobrang fit. Para kang naka-leggings. Tapos white socks na sobrang tinatago mo na kasi hindi siya cool eh. Pero anyway, masasabi mo na nag-grow ka kapag nakita mo yung mga ganong bagay, naisip mong ganong bagay, tapos nag-cringe ka, you felt embarrassed, medyo nahiya ka sa present self mo, mapapatanong ka, ano pinaggagawa ko dati? Parang puro katarantaduhan yata yun. Diba? Anyway, going back, kapag na-feel mo na na-embarrass ka, medyo nag-cringe ka, nahiya ka sa sarili mo, that's how you say you've grown a lot, di ba? Isa sa mga bagay na pwede nating paggamitan ng realization na to is kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng bumps, nagkakaroon tayo ng challenges, or when the going gets tough, it would serve as a reminder na, hey, maliit ka lang na obstacle, maliit ka lang na challenge, I've done this in a small amount of time. What would I do to you, or how would I solve this challenge so easily, diba? Now that I am aware of my potential. So mapapaisip ka na, o nga no, parang dun lalaki yung confidence mo. Magkakaroon ka ng confidence dahil na-realize mo yung potential mo. And that your potential and your capabilities, they are compounding, diba? Tapos lumalaki pa yung circle of friends mo, lumalaki pa yung value ng circle of friends mo. Not monetary value, but yung value based on what they deliver to the world. Ganon. Pero anyway, before I end this video, I have a call to action. I mean, I have something for you to do after clicking this video, or whenever you feel like it. Whenever you feel like journaling. Okay? So, you get 3 sheets of paper, and then label that paper 5 years ago, today, and 5 years from now. Ngayon, that 3 sheets of paper that you have, you divide it into 3. Parang ganito. Yan, parang ganyan. Yan, divide it to 3. Meron na pala. Ito nga yun. Sa first column, right there, physically, mentally, emotionally, attractiveness, relationships, living environment, socially, spiritually, career, and financially. So basically 10. But don't stick with 10. If you want to be creative, you add other aspects that you want to add. Okay, gets? Good. On the next column, second column, you write at the top, score. Para saan ba yung score? Simple lang. You write score, 0 being your lowest, meaning walang-wala ka talaga. 10 being the highest, meron ka. I mean, you are super abundant. Hindi naman mamimigay to the point na nag-uumapaw or sobrang sarap sa feeling.
Okay.
That's your score. You write your score there. The third column, no? You write their sentence. Kapag kasulat mo ng sentence, dito, ilalagay mo yung mga short, siguro mga 2 to 3 sentence na ano yung status mo or ano yung state mo nangyayari sa'yo sa ganong aspect. For example, physically. 5 years ago, ang score ko sa physical aspect ko, around 5. Bakit? Nagja-jogging naman ako, continuous yung calisthenics ko. And then, yun, continuous calisthenics ko. Wala akong sinusunod na diet plan. Pero moderate yung consumption ko ng proteins, carbs, sugar, and whatnot. Kinakain ko naman lahat ng pagkain, mapa salty, sweet, fatty, ganyan, but in moderation. So, ayun lang. I hope that you get to do this kind of activity. I hope that you get to learn something from it. I hope you get to realize your true potential using that activity. By the way, shout out to Tony Robbins, author of The Awakened Giant, The Giant Within, and other books. Kasi yung idea na yun, dito ko nakuha. Kita? Yan. Ayan o. Dito ko nakuha. That's it for tonight, no? Before that, I just wanna thank you for watching this video. Also, give yourself a pat on the back after watching this video. Kasi you should thank yourself na, hey, I've watched this video. I hope that it will help me in a way after doing the activity. So, thank you, self, for doing the activity. Thank you, self, for watching the video of job. Thank you, self, for listening to some people's advice or some people's activity to help you grow, to realize your potential. So, thank you, self. You're doing great. You've done great 5 to 7 years ago. You've done great today, yung mga task mo, yung work mo, and you're going to do great 5 to 7 years from now. So, ayun. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share mo sa friends mo, circle of friends mo, families, if you think I help you in a way. And yun. Maraming salamat, and I will see you in my next episode. Bye-bye.